In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur out portions of a video. First, open your video editing software and import the clip you want to work with. Make sure the clip is placed on your main video track in the timeline so you can clearly see the part you want to blur. Use the playhead to move to the section where the sensitive area appears on screen. It could be a face, a license plate, a screen recording with private information, or anything else you don't want viewers to see clearly. Next, look over to your effects or filters panel. This is usually where all the visual effects are stored. In the search bar of that panel, start typing the word blur. As you type, you should see a list of blur-related effects appear, such as a general blur, Gaussian blur, or directional blur, depending on your software. Once you see the blur effect you want to use, select it and drag it directly onto your video clip in the timeline. When you drop it on the clip, the blur will be applied, usually to the entire frame at first. Don't worry, we'll refine it so only a specific portion of the video is affected. With the clip still selected, go to the Effect Controls or Properties panel. Here, you'll see the blur effect you just added, along with its settings. Look for an option to limit the blur to a certain area, often called a mask, shape, or region. Choose a shape that best fits what you're trying to hide, like a rectangle or an ellipse, and place it over the object you want blurred in the preview window. Adjust the size and position of this blur area by dragging its corners or edges until it fully covers the sensitive content. You can also increase or decrease the blur strength to make the hidden area more or less recognizable. A stronger blur is usually better for privacy. If the object moves during the clip, you'll need to adjust the blur area over time. Move the playhead forward and reposition the blur area so it follows the object. Some editors offer tracking tools that can automatically follow movement, which can save you a lot of time. When you're happy with the result, play back that section to make sure everything that needs to be hidden stays blurred. Finally, export your video as usual, and your sensitive areas will be safely blurred out in the finished file.